Hi everyone, I'm going to quickly show you on how to import MTS files, which are AVCHD, the high quality video format, into your iMac. I've got a Sony a6000 camera, and today I've accidentally clicked on that file format instead of MP4, which is a very good format. It's just not that great for the iMac for some reason. It's bringing up this error on my screen. I'm trying to import it into Lightroom Classic CC and not having that great success. I've also tried image capture, but for some reason it's only picking up just the JPEG and RAW files for all the photos and not for the videos. So what I recommend is to do this step so you can import them into your computer, and then later you can easily convert them to a different file format. So find your SD card, find the folder where it says private. You'll find a file there which is AVCHD. You right click, go to show package contents. There you find a file there called BDMV. Right click, show package contents, and then you go to stream, a folder called stream. There you'll find all the MTS video files. There you can right click, copy the 8 items, or how many files you've got. Find a folder where you got on your computer and just paste them. That's pretty much it, and you just imported those files into your hard drive. Then you can use Final Cut Pro, iMovie, other programs out there which can convert the MTS to a different file format, so it's easier to import into your catalog or into your machine, or you can keep the files in MTS in your in the folder. So it depends on what you want to do with your files. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any comments, leave it down below. Thank you.